Welcome to jandjautowrecking test of TSCE001, the first car for the 26th year. It is a 1995, 67,000 miles on it, LT1, cluster lights up, there you go, I'm sorry, 63,000 miles on it. She runs, getting some oil pressure. See if it goes into gear, then we'll turn it on. Oh, maybe not today, huh? Nope, I can't get that shifter to apply. It looks like it's shoved up in the part. All right, we'll turn it off and we will check the mirrors. Works side to side, but I don't know if it wants to go up and down. Nope, nothing there, and we will check the seats. Forward, backwards, little tilt. That's a good seat. That's surprising. Then you got the lumbar over here. That sounds good. Ooh, most of that works. All right. Thank you very much. TSCE001. Oh my, these are hard to get out of. A 1995 C4 Corvette. Do a little quick walk around. 63,000 miles. Pretty nice condition. All right, as always, have your pets spayed and neutered. Thank you for watching.